Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Are We There Yet game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application, and after you are taken into the store page, you can click on the search box and now just type in Are We There Yet to begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it, and this will take you into the game page where you can check out the trailer as well as the reviews. Scroll down and click on the Add to Cart button alongside your preferred edition. Then just click on View My Cart to continue towards your payment. And now you may use your Steam wallet balance or one of the payment methods that you see on the drop-down menu. Then just enter all of your credentials for your chosen payment method. Finally, once your transaction is completed, the game will be added to your library. You can then complete the installation in just a few clicks. And once it is done, you can start enjoying the Are We There Yet game on your PC. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Are We There Yet game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.